So, titikman natin kung ano yung pwede kay Lola. Dahil ito ay matatamis. Hi kids! Mukbanger na yata si tita. Nandito tayo para tikman ang brownie bites. So, meron tayo dito brownie scotch. Meron tayong, I think this is the original brownie bites. And the dark chocolate brownie bites. So, titikman natin kung ano yung pwede kay Lola. Dahil ito ay matatamis. Is it the brownie scotch, the brownie bites, or the dark chocolate? So, let's have this brownie bites. So, dahil bukas na siya, I haven't tasted it yet, but let's try this one. It's a dark chocolate. So, I believe na mas magugustuhan nila to kasi medyo mapait kasi yung dark chocolate. So, bago natin tikman, tandaan, bawal kumain sa loob ng kwarto. Okay? Iwas ipis, iwas daga, iwas langgam. Alright, so let's try the Super Delights Brownie Bite Dark Chocolate. So, ganito siya kalaki. Let's try. It's chewy. And tama nga ako, hindi siya ganun katamis. Wala siyang, although may konting sweetness, but I think because it's a dark chocolate, medyo ma-appreciate nila to. They might eat this with tea. Sarap. So they might choose this one. Medyo matotolerate nila itong Brownie Bites Dark Chocolate.